have. Oh, that's a good shot. Damn. Those clouds? Hey guys, welcome to Weekend Cruiser episode 4. It's Saturday morning, it's bright and early, and we're heading to the island to get to the boat. If you're liking the channel, consider subscribing. It really helps the channel move forward and gain some traction. Cheers. This is the first time that we got the sails up, so yeah, check it out. I'm here with my pal Tim, and yeah, we're sailing. I just thought this would be a good spot to remind everyone that we bought this boat at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, and just being able to hoist the sails and go out there for a few hours and do it safely was a pretty special day after all the trouble that it was to get the boat during this time.
A lot of people there, eh?
Wind there?
A little bit of wind.
Did it pick up there a little bit?
A bit of a gust right there. Okay, so yeah, we just went upwind. We did practice some tacking, and now we're heading back downwind, back down to the marina. We're gonna try and do some jibing. Well, maybe not, depending on the wind. But yeah, so far so good, and yeah, we can't wait to keep doing this.